Good day, sir. I am Timbangkaya Jeric from 3 Bravo. Today, I will explain the Section 66 of termination of probation supervision case, which the Section 66, it's all about the termination report, which is given to which is the job of probation officer to write a report about the probation case of a probationer, which in this report it contains if the probationer has already completed his probation, or the probation that is given to the probationer will be take back, which if he violates a rules or the rules on his probation. So first, the Section 66 termination report, which shall the probation office shall give a task to the probation officer to write a report to pass it to the trial court, which is should be done in 5 days. Then it has a data or information contains about the brief personal circumstances of the probationer, which is dito nakalagay yung personal information ng isang probationer. Kunwari, saan siya nakatira, saan siya pinanganak, ano yung trabaho niya bago siya ikulong, and so on. Then we have brief criminal circumstances about his or her case, which contains about the case number, kung ano yung case number niya, saang trial court siya pinunta, then anong branch. Then dito is nakalagay din dito yung kung ano yung case niya or ano yung reason kung bakit siya nasa may probation ngayon. Then we have probation response to the supervision programs. So ito yung nakalagay din dito yung report ng isang supervision, o yung nakalagay dito sa may report na to kung ano yung response ng isang probationer doon sa may program na ginagawa niya sa isang probation. Sabihin na lang natin yung community service, or yung sabihin na natin sa may probation niya meron siyang community service, dapat nakalagay din doon kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya sa may probation niya. Then